Okay, so yeah, uh, welcome back to another episode of our live session. And in today's video or episode, we'll be looking at the markets generally for the week or for today. But I would like to spice things up a little bit this time around. I want to share like live signal, like free signal live on this live. So I'll just want to, so we'll all benefit. I'm a little bit late. The market is going, but let's get to it. So our last time we've been bearish, and as you can see, this market is already ranging at this place. This is GBPUSD. Can you guys hear me? Am I audible? Just indicate in the chat box, please. Indicate in the chat box so I'll be sure. Indicate in the chat box. So, okay. All right, that's fine. All right, great. You can hear me, okay, fine. This is GBPUSD, and on our last episode, we were bearish on this pair, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and gold. So this week, you guys saw I posted something on the channel where I said I want to see bullish moves on this pair, and I still feel we're still going to be bullish. Now, reason because we've been selling for so long. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Why is my network? Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame and let's get to it. Let's get to it. All right, we'll go to the weekly time frame. We'll see that. Okay, good. Guess what? Okay. On the weekly time frame, we'll see that we've been bearish starting from the 17th of July till this point. The only bullish candle we've seen was on the 14th of August. That was last week. So what this is saying basically is the way I trade, which is using the edge strategy, would know that I will always say that the market doesn't go in one direction. So in other words, we've been bearish for weeks. We've just been having this kind of movement for weeks. And if you agree with me, the market doesn't go in one direction, which is there's always opportunity for it to come back up, either to buy or to sell. That's why most times you see some signal providers, when they're calling sell, some people might be calling buy. But the whole idea or the whole idea is, or the whole goal is to be profitable regardless if you're buying or you're selling. So GBPUSD has been bearish for weeks now, and we've been shorting it going down. So at this point, I want to see bullish moves to also sweep out liquidity at each zones. So what I'm going to do is, on the weekly, we can see that, okay, what are we seeing at this point? We're seeing that the market is actually very bearish, but low key, if you check the monthly, it might be bullish. But now it's about to change character. Let's go to the daily so we'll see it clearly. The market is about to change character because it has come to this zone, and this is a significant zone, which I feel the market wants to give us a head and shoulder pattern. A head and shoulder pattern. Now, I really don't trade head and shoulder per se, but this is what I'm seeing the markets do already. And we're currently at the neckline. This is what I'm seeing the markets do. So I'm expecting the markets to rally up, give us something like this. And can you guys see what I'm doing? If you can see what I'm doing, just give me, just let me know in the chat box. Let me just know in the chat box if you're seeing what I'm doing, if you're hearing me clearly. Okay, good. So let's fire on, yeah? So on this pair, I am expecting for this week, rather, to see a bullish move, then to take out this liquidity on this neckline. I want to see liquidity being taken out on this neckline. But then this week, I want to see bullish moves. I want to see good bullish moves. So now I'm not going to hold my bias. I don't get married to a bias. I am very fluid. I can change. I trade what I see in the market. I trade what the market is giving. Not because I'm saying it will drop. I will now hold that bias because I feel it will drop. right? So I actually expect the market to, we can see it's been ranging for like couple of hours, or let's say days. It's been ranging from this zone to this zone to this zone to this zone, and now it's ranging in this semantic box, which it got to this point, created an equal high. Let me scale it down to the 30 minutes. It create, or let's say 15 minutes, so I'll see clearly. The market created an equal high. Now, for my students or people in my mentorship, my mentees, they will already know what I like to do using the edge strategy at this point when market creates an equal. Now, liquidity is resting at all these points, so it is very risky to get married to one particular bias. This was the trade I wanted to call on this live session, but I was just waiting for us to have a particular number of counts on our pool, the votes rather, number of votes on our pool. That's why I was waiting. That's why we kind of missed this trade. Would have jumped into it, but I was waiting for response. But not to waste you guys' time so much. So now what do we do in this case? I want to still see the market go back up here. Go back up here. We're going to trade what we see in the market. Now, I'm going to the 5 minutes, so we'll see it clearly. Now, we can see that the market has already created a 5 minutes OB. OB simply means an order block. Now, if you look at it very well, let's go to, okay. Now, let's go to the 3 minutes, so we'll see it even more clearer. So we'll notice on the lower time frame, market has given us a pattern, which is, it has given us more like a direction rather, that's giving us a downtrend. This is an okay, let me see. Okay. All right. Oh, okay, fine. So now the market has already given us a direction, which is a downward trend. We can see that the market created something like a high at this point. Market created a high, and now it created a low, a higher low coming. I mean, sorry, lower low, sorry, a lower low, a lower high, and we'll change this to a low, okay? So now we've seen that the market also created yet another low at this point, let's say at this point, right? A lower low. So now what do we want to see? Personally, I would want to see the market give me pull back into this region. So at any point at this region, I want to start selling. Now, this trade you can see is a 10 pip stop loss. I don't like to use big stop loss. I like my risk to reward to be very high. I want to have something like, I want to have opportunity, a chance to have 1:5, 1:6, 1 whatever the market gives me, even 1:15. You get? So I want to see the market rally up back to this point. So now I'll be setting a pending order. I want everybody to set a pending order alongside me. So let me look for one of my accounts. I don't want this market to, if you have, please indicate if you have a live account. If you have an account you want to trade, if you're going to take this trade, help me indicate in the chat box. I'm waiting for your response while I'm trying to. Okay. If you have a live account, if you have an account you want to jump on this trade with me, just indicate here, please. So I would know what account size you're taking and how to use your risk parameters, how to take your risk on it. So okay, okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So I want to use on a 10 pips stop loss. I want to, if you want to calculate your risk, in fact, for people trading, yeah, the lot size to use on a on any account size you want to use. Let me not waste much time. Go to my FX book calculator. My FX book calculator. Go there, check on the pair you want to trade. Once you check on the pair, this is GBPUSD. So I want to use GBPUSD. On this my account, I want to trade on my 50K account. So my lot size will be different from you people. I want to risk 1%. So you choose how many percent you want to risk or you want to use in taking that trade. For me, for instance, rather, I want to trade this this particular pair. I want to take this trade on a 50K account and I'm risking 1% with stop loss of 10 pips. No. Using five standard lots on the $600 account is crazy. You might, because literally I'm using 1%. I'm using 1% for a $50,000 account, and I'm using 5 standard lots. So you using 600, it might just, the trade might go well, but now your psychology might not be able to handle the losses you might be seeing. So that's the risk involved. You might now close out of fear. You might close you might just use FOMO to close, and then the trade now plays out the way we expect, and you'll be in loss. Now that's why most times people lose money when people are making money from signals. Good. So now let me help you guys check it out, or help you check it out. On a 600 account, to risk 1%, you should be using at least, let's say 0.10, depending on how you know how to stack or how you know how to position your trade. So I would say you can use, let's say, you can choose to use 0.10. So now if you're opening 2 positions, you can open one position with 0.6, then open the second position with 0.4. I don't know if you're getting me. Now, 0.6, you can place it as your TP1, then 0.4 as your TP2, depending on you. But this is, don't over risk, don't over leverage, in as much as I call signals that are accurate, I don't preach over leveraging. So total of 0.10, not one lot size. One lot is way very big for your account, way too big for your account. But okay, so now this is what I'm expecting. If you can see it, my entry would be around 1.27515. Entry will be at SL should be around 1. So this is the parameters I'll be using. Sell limits. I'm not buying immediately. I'm not selling immediately. This is what I expect the market to do. I want to see the market come into this zone, then start selling off. Now, mind you, at any point when you get satisfied with your profits, do not get greedy. Take out the profits, secure your profits, and allow the rest to move. So on this trade, this is the signal I'll be calling out on this live session. So now, what pair would you want? What pair would you guys want me to analyze? So I just will all benefit this week, and put it in the chat box. What pair would crypto, any pair, Forex pairs, anything, just put it in the chat box. Sorry, please help me mute your mic. Help me mute your mic. Your mic is on. Help me mute it. Okay, so okay, I can see gold, I can see Euro USD, I can see, okay, I can see crypto, that's Matic, okay, Matic USDT. That's fine, that's fine. So let's go into Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's go, let's get to it, let's get to it. So Euro USD will go from the weekly time frame. That's where I like to see the direction of the market clearly. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just help me indicate again. Let me be sure I'm carrying everybody along. If you're with me, let me be sure I'm carrying everybody along. Okay, for smart money, I just saw a question now about smart money concepts or strategy. I really don't trade smart money, but part of my strategy, you can I guess you can understand the way smart money works, because we all talk about liquidity, we all talk about certain zones where to approach the market. So I trade the edge strategy, and I've been trading it for a long time now, and it's been working for me. So I find it difficult to go and start trading other people's strategy. Now, don't get me wrong, other strategy works. So long it's profitable to you, it works. Whatever works for you, do it. You might not necessarily trade my own strategy. So about the smart money question, I really don't trade smart money, so I really can't answer your question fully. So let me, okay, fine. You can hear me sound and clear. Okay, we're hearing you. Okay, fine. Let's get to, this is Euro USD. Let me go to a clearer chart so I hate to see my chart messy. Okay, this is Euro USD. On the weekly, we can see that the market, because I expect the market, I've been bearish on this pair. So I expect the market to still range. It got to this point, as you can see here. This was the point I was expecting to start selling from. I and my inner circle and my mentees, we took this trade. I told them when we get to this point, I want to start seeing pullbacks to start selling back to the downside. So, and this is what the market has been playing so far. Now, all I've been doing is looking for opportunity to jump in and make profit and get out. So now, since we've been bearish on this pair, or I am bearish on this pair, you can still see what I was saying. You can see this. I said at this point, I want to see it go down. And the market is currently doing what I predicted or analyzed. So at this point, this week, I just want to see pullbacks. Now, Euro USD, GBP USD, they have similarities, which is only that one moves faster than the other. So this time around, you might see Euro USD moving faster than GBP USD, but in same direction. So now, since I said on GBP USD, I'm expecting to see a head and shoulder pattern. Euro USD and GBP USD is already forming the head and shoulder pattern. Now, expect Euro USD to tap into this liquidity zone. Now, let me show you what I mean by head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, neckline, head. It has gone back down here. Now, I want to see the market do something like this, tap into this zone. Then, obviously, sell. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. So this week, I want to see bullish moves. Okay. I just saw your comment. Yeah. Now I want to see bullish moves to this point. Now it might not get to this point. Maybe it might trick people, and now maybe the market might just trick people and now get to this point, go up, sweep out liquidity properly, and now sell off. But then I want to see bullish move this week. And mind you, because I'm bullish this week on Euro USD and GBP USD, doesn't mean if the market starts selling, I would keep buying. No. But this week, I want to be bullish. I am bullish on Euro USD, GBP USD. So let's scale it down to Okay. Let's get it down to the 15 minutes so we don't waste much time. So now on the 15 minutes, we can see that this is a trend line liquidity. Now, in my mentorship, I always talk about different types of liquidity. We have the trend line liquidity. We have different types of liquidity, but I'm not going in depth into it right now. I just want us to have an insight of where the market is going to. So on Euro USD, I want to see the liquidity on this place because here is where what we call the order flow. This is where orders are coming. People are selling at this point. 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 They are selling at this point. Selling, 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 right? Nobody is buying because now the market has shown us that it is bearish. Now people want to just keep milking the market. We have a lot of swing traders. We have position traders. Now all these people selling at this point, their stop loss would have been at break even. So now what I expect the market to do is sweep out this liquidity at this point. Now this is what I want to see the market do. Right? Maybe go like this, come back down here, go back up, right? Maybe tap into here, into this zone a little bit, and now surprise everybody, right? This is what I want to see. Now, at this point, we want to be buying and selling the same time when these guys, these big boys are buying and selling. You don't want to be doing the opposite because these guys have a lot of money to play with. And not my $5,000, not my $10,000, not my 100, not your 100,000, not your $1 million account would actually hold this position or change the direction of the market. These guys have billions of dollars to play with, right? They have a lot of money to play with in this market. So we want to be trading at the same time that they're trading. Now, I don't trade every day. I hardly trade on Mondays, but doesn't mean if I see opportunities, I won't take it. So we want to trade at the same time with them and make money. We're in this industry to make money and not to just brag about rubbish. So yeah, now at this point, I want to see, now liquidity on this zone has been taken out. Liquidity at this zone has been taken out. Liquidity at this zone has been taken out. This equal high here has been swept out and liquidity has actually been taken. Now I saw the opportunity to sell from here to this point. I didn't take the trade. I saw another opportunity to sell from here to this point. I didn't take the trade. So at this point, can we jump into this trade? It is risky trading around this zone because now we might decide to say, let's quickly scalp and markets might continue selling. Yeah. Yeah, I see you, man. I see you. Okay, we might decide to start selling at this point, and at this point, rather, and the market goes up, take out our stop losses, right? So, but have it at the back of your mind that overall we're bearish on Euro USD, but this week I want to see bullish moves to this supply zone. Are you with me? If you understand me, or if you're following me, just indicate in the chat box, please. I want to carry everybody along so we're on the same page and we'll be making money out of this market this week, just like we did other times, right? 100, yeah. All right, so let's jump into gold. Now on Euro USD, I am expecting what? Bullish move, same way with GBPUSD. Now let's go to our baby gold. I used to like gold so well, but I don't trade it often. I just trade it on probably, let's say, my small account when I want to flip, but it's risky. So now on gold, now we can see that gold has been selling. Gold has broken this zone, this region here, this demand zone. Gold has broken this demand zone, right? It has broken this demand zone. You can see this zone here. Gold has broken it. It has scattered this zone. It has destroyed it, right? So now what do I want to see? Yes, I want to see continuation to the downside to sweep out this weekly low you can see here. But before it sweeps out the weekly low, I want to still see gold buy, right? I want to still see gold. Let me see. Oh, gold has already bought. Wow. Okay. I wanted saying I want to see gold buy to this zone, but then no big deal. I want to see gold buy to this point, buy, but it has already bought, so it might continue selling. So if you want to trade gold any buy, you'll be scalping, because going to now hold the position for long, it will sweep you out and just run. And you start shouting manipulation, 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 right? So I want to still see now this other zone. Since gold has broken this zone, I want to see something like this come back into this zone. Now that's what people that trade, is it break and retest? That's what they would be expecting to see. People that trade break and retest, they want to see the price go back into this demand zone, then shoot down to the downside, right? This is what people would be expecting. But now on gold, I'm not seeing any opportunity to take any trade for now. So, but this is what I expect. I expect the markets to go up a little bit. Now, the market might even break to this point also and continue and now sell. Reason because if you draw your trend line, you will see that this is the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, then kaboom. I don't know if you're getting me. So at this point, I'm not seeing any opportunity to start buying or selling gold right now. So I'm going to avoid it so I don't lose money. So, okay, Yusuf, you can send me a DM and I'll reply you. You can send me a DM. So, okay, we're going to, somebody asked for, is it Matic? Okay, Matic. You can still send in the pairs you want me to trade for you or to analyze for you. You can send it to me. You can send me the trade you want me to analyze. So let's go to Matic. Somebody asked for Matic USDT. Now, before I go into crypto, I made a video some months back, even before the crypto crash. That was sometime, was it last year or 2021? I talked about the crypto crash and people were like, huh, nobody knows you in this industry. How would we listen to you? And I was laughing, probably because I have very small community, which I don't mind. Now they didn't listen to me. And when crypto market started tanking, I told them. And when crypto market went back up, I told them, expect a sell. So yeah, and now I made another video, which I posted and I shared the link, and crypto market is just playing just that way. So now on Matic, crypto market is still bearish, but I want to see bullish moves. Now, this can change based on sentiments, based on fundamentals. That's not possible. But let me see. My handle, this is my handle, I'm coming. So yeah, let's quickly, so we'll round up this live session. So on Matic USDT, we can see that this place right now at this zone, the market is at this zone. So any further pullbacks is just temporal. It is just temporal. We might still shoot downwards to fill up all this liquidity on these zones. We might shoot downwards to fill up liquidity on these zones. So, but then I want to see things like jumping on this trade with a pinch of salt, because at this point where Matic is very risky, because it can choose to keep going down or choose to just go and sell. So it's just dicey. Selling Matic or buying Matic at this point is very risky. I would say you should wait for different confirmations. I'll wait for different confirmations, and yeah. So before I end this live session, I want to know, do you guys have questions? If you have questions, throw your questions in. We just have like 5 minutes to get these things wrapped up. So if you have a question on anything at all, throw in your questions. I'm here, I'm waiting, I'm listening. So let's get to it. Can you guys hear me? If you have questions, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So yeah, you guys might be asking why I didn't have my meeting in my other side. I'm actually in my studio. I was about fixing one or two things to make videos, free contents to just post out, so everybody's going to benefit. Trading videos actually. So I just said, okay, let me jump on this live session because I had an extensive session with my mentees. So that was why I was a little bit late. I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize in that regards. So yeah, if you guys don't have questions to ask, I guess I will just have to end the live for today. And I want to say a very big thank you. You can type in your questions actually. So okay, trading crypto and forex, which do you think is preferable for a newbie in the financial space? Okay. I get this kind of questions a lot, yeah. But I'll tell you, we're in this market not to catch pips, not to brag about certain things, right? We're here to make money. And I'll tell you, I trade the two markets. At some point, I was trading synthetic. That's crash and boom, whatever, V75, Moon 30, Moon this one, Moon 200. I was trading all of all those things. Now, the thing here is the both markets are very, very liquid and volatile. And if you know what you're doing, you have your psychology right in check, right? Your psychology is in check. Your technical analysis is superb and sweet. I tell you, you will make the best out of this market. The both of them are very profitable. So you can choose to go into crypto trading as a newbie, and the crypto market will give you, right? It will flog you. Now you now run away and you are like, oh God, trading is a scam. No, trading is not a scam. Or you go with the mindset that trading is is gambling. It's the same thing as gambling. But I'll tell you, they might both have similarities, gambling and trading, but the difference is risk management, and you have opportunity to do what you want in trading. While in gambling, they manipulate it. So crypto market is actually very, very profitable if you know what you're doing. It can give you the best life you ever could imagine, right? All these things, it's from trading. The video of my house I posted is from trading. So trading can give you what the life you never expected, like it could either be profitable or it will send you back to your village, right? But the point is, know what you're doing firstly. We're in this market to make money. So know what you're doing. And yeah. So I'll tell you, just go for the both of them, but whichever you are profitable in, just know what you're doing. That's just the major advice I'll give to anyone. Crypto, Forex, which one do you want to do? Anyone, you're free to do anyone, but just have the skill, understand mastery, then you'll be profitable. That's fine. Okay. You guys are welcome. I'm happy to see the fact that I'm happy to even see you guys come on this live with me, and just fact is actually very I don't teach boom and crash. No, I don't teach it because it doesn't give me so much money, and the market on its own is just a different market. Yeah. But my strategy actually works for all markets because I've tested it, I've tried it, I've tested it, I've back tested, I've forward tested, I've actually traded live accounts, I've funded, I've withdrawn. So my strategy works for all those, for every market, both indices, both stocks, everything you get. So I don't teach how to trade boom and crash. No, I don't. I just teach how to trade Forex and crypto. So yeah, guys, it was really a superb moment to have to be with you guys and have this live section with you guys. I'm super, super, super excited and grateful. Yeah, very soon, probably one of these days I'll do a giveaway. Right? But I have a target. So I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for being a part of the Edge strategy. Thank you for being a part of Trade by Edge, and I want to say a very big thank you, big thank you, big thank you, big thank you to you guys. You guys are the real guys, man. You guys are my real family. Like, I'm super excited. Yeah. So yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting this video there in case of people that actually missed out. And yeah, tell your friends that are struggling in trading that you just found someone that could actually help them out. This is not me saying you pay or not pay. This is me being me. the goal is to build a community of profitable traders. I struggled in this industry, and I know how hard it was for me to actually get to this point. So now the best thing I want to do is just to grow a profitable community, or a community of profitable traders. So we'll all milk this market. This market have shown a lot of us pepe, right? So yeah, I'm going to be posting this video on, so for those that missed out, and I'll be saying thank you and peace out. Take care, guys.